Okay, this is gonna be a short video today, guys.
Oh, we're recording already. Okay, hi guys. I did not realize she pushed the record button. I thought she was still setting it up.
So we got another blind box. We had a little issue with it,
Yeah,
but it's being fixed, so we're okay.
Yeah, there's a little mishap.
One of the slimes kind of opened up in shipping and went all over in the box, so we salvaged a little bit of it.
Yeah.
So this is just a foam slime. I'm sorry, I was already playing with this one. This is like, I really like it.
She didn't really have a choice though. She was digging it out of the box.
Yeah.
So.
But, you know, just for short and sweet, it's very, very good for bubble pops, and that's my favorite.
Her and her bubble pops.
Anyways, so there's that one.
That one I don't mind playing with either. And if y'all seen the videos, you know I don't like slime. So.
We got a free slime with the mystery box. This one's really gooey and like sandy.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think on that one?
Oh, that's you can here you can have extra. That is very, very sandy.
This reminds me a lot of Connect Sand.
Yes. Yeah, I was just thinking the same thing.
But it's sticky Connect Sand, pretty much.
Yes.
Very.
Like, you know, somebody may have mixed your Play-Doh in it. Would that?
Oh, it smells good though.
Would that make sense? Play-Doh with Connect Slime. Oh, it does.
I like the smell of that.
It smells like lavender.
Yes, it does.
It does. It smells like lavender.
So yeah, there's that one. And then we'll get to the two big ones. The two big ones look to be the same thing, just different colors. Which one do you want?
The bottom one.
Okay, well there's peaches and cream, and then a nameless one.
Chocolate.
We'll call it chocolate.
Destiny, you call it chocolate? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay. Oh, that's actually... What the hell?
I poked it, I'm sorry.
Woo! That was a cold nose on my arm.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh, I might have made a mistake by pulling this out.
Yeah, Oh, this one smells good. That,
Well, it's, Oh, Nikes.
Ooh.
It's very gooey.
We're just gonna put that there.
Oh, goodness. Oh, snap.
Oh, this one's not gooey like... I was totally expecting this one to be gooey like yours is.
Oh, fudge. Houston, I have a problem.
This one's definitely sticky, but it does not... It's not your mess. What does that smell like to you? This reminds me of absolutely bug spray.
Yeah.
Like, if any of you, like most of you, if not everybody, knows what bug spray smells like, that's this. No wonder she didn't label it. She wasn't gonna put a label on that says bug spray. No offense, but...
Well, you know, maybe a little extra activating and...
Oh, I lied. Maybe it's just not mixed together. Bottom was sticky.
Oh, fudge.
Did you just put your... She keeps putting her hands in it.
Well, I'm trying to put the stuff that I pulled off my hands back in there. Okay, well.
Yeah, this is This
Visit
stuff is
Bill
nowhere
Clinton's
near.
house.
this is nowhere near sticky like hers is. So glad I picked this one. This one's got a cold feeling though. Like it feels cool. Like cold, cool. It does. It's like a chilled feeling.
We'll do a little extra activating on this one. I got some in the other room.
Yeah, I think.
It did come with a little packet of borax. That's how you say it, right?
Yes.
Unlike the other box that we did where it came mixed up with water, this is just a little packet of the powder itself. So you'd have to mix it up yourself, but
Sorry guys, I just stuck all 5 of my fingers in it. Yeah, this one's definitely sticky, but it's not anywhere near that. I seriously feel like I'm playing in chocolate something.
overall I like it. We do have another box from the same buyer coming.
Yes.
Probably for next Tuesday video. Hopefully it'll be here by then.
If not, well, looks like Target it is. We'll find something. This is...
Man.
Can you stop licking my leg, please?
I'm sorry.
All right. Well.
Hello. Everybody meet Lou.
She's
Do you
like,
wanna
what are
smell
you
it?
doing?
Yeah, I wouldn't want to smell it either.
Okay. Well, it doesn't seem to be as bad now. Maybe my hands are just too dry.
Ooh, I bent the container. Push. We're getting little snappies here.
All right, folks. That was our short video.
Ha! Sorry.
And my dork sister.
I poked all 5 fingers in there and made it quick. It's not my fault I happened to make a sound in the process. It happens.
All right. Well, we will see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this short video.
If anybody wants to smell bug spray, you know where to find it.
Bye.